Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete comments on Instagram, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, alright? Now with that out of the way, let me show you the process. First step is let me just comment on a photo over here. So I'm going to comment on this photo. I can click on the comments icon on this photo over here. Once I click on it, now I can comment on this photo. So I'm just going to comment any random words over here and click on post. And my comment is going to be posted over here. Wait for some time. It says posting and it's done. So that's how you guys can comment on Instagram. Now if you want to delete this comment, what you can do is hold on this comment and swipe to the left side. Alright. Once you swipe to the left side, you can see the dustbin looking icon. Once you click on the dustbin looking icon, it's going to say one comment deleted. Now if you want to undelete it, you could just tap on that on the top. Let me just show you how to undo or deleting. All right, so I'm just going to post a one. I click on the delete over here and I just click on tap to undo and it's going to be posted again. So that's how we guys can delete and undelete the Instagram comment. All right, you need to do it really fast because after 4 or 5 seconds, the option for not deleting the comment is going to be removed. All right, so you only have like 5 seconds window in order to do that. But let's say somebody comments on your post. What you can do is, so over here, Witchy697 commented on my post. So if I don't like his post, what I can do is I can swipe left on his comment as well and click on the dustbin icon over here and it's been removed. So I can only do this because this post is mine. All right, I cannot just go to random people's post and start deleting other people's comment. The comment which I can delete is the comment which I made and the comment which other people made on my post. All right, those are the only comment I can delete. So yeah, that's how you guys can delete comment on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.